Now, sound of I. So let's read the words aloud. Hear it. Words having IT. Bit, fit, hit, kit, pit. Now let's read the words having IB. Bib, fib, nib, dib, rib. Now let's read the word having IG. Big, fig, jig, dig, wig. Now let's read the words having IN. Bin, fin, pin, gin, tin. Now let's read the word having IP. Dip, hip, lip, pip, sip. Now let's see the word having ILL. Bill, pill, fill, till, hill. Now read and rhyme. So now students, let's read with me. Ben digs a pit, it is big. He sits in a pit, eats his food bit by bit. Now next we have let's practice. So fill in the blanks. So students, you have to fill the blank by using these words. So first you can see IB, then there is given nib. So you have to fill the words accordingly given words. So students, now here you can see there are some pictures and here is written a kid and a dash. So students, you have to observe the picture carefully and then fill in the blanks. Now read and match. A kid and a bib. So students, in this question, you have to first read the sentences, then observe the picture and then match them according to the sentence. Now we have comprehension. Now read the sentences aloud. This is Nid. Nid is a kid. Nid hid in a pit. Pit has a bin. There is a pin in a bin. Nid has a tin. A kid sits near a tin. Now let's answer. A. Who is Nid? B. Where is the pin? C. Who sits near the tin? D. Where is the bin? So students, you have to answer these questions in the blanks along with the questions.